In this question, we're told that water is pouring in the cubital reservoir at the rate of 60 liter per minute. If the volume of the reservoir is 108 meter cube, find the number of hours it will take. So volume is given as 108 meter cube. And in terms of liter, it will be 108 liter. That will be 1 lakh 8,000 liter. And since the rate of the water filling is given, that is 60 liter per minute. So which means the time taken will be 1 lakh 8,000 will be divided by 60, and that will be 1,800 minutes. So this is given in the minutes. For converting into the hours, we have to divide it by 60, and that will be 30 hours. So in 30 hours, this reservoir will be full with the water.